Check it out. We got a camping table. It fits in this bag. So if you've ever gone camping, car camping, this isn't a backpacking table. If you've ever gone car camping, you know how valuable a table is. Set it out. You could do your cooking. You could just do your anything. You just need a table when you're camping. And how cool is it if you're car camping and you don't have enough space for a big old fold-out table? You have space for this because this is the same size as a camp chair. If you got camp chairs, you could throw this table in. I'm going to do a review of this, show you a breakdown, and tell you that this table is worth it if your space is limited when you go car camping. If you noticed, it's got this little, I don't know, hanging section for, what happens when you're camping is that if you have a table, everyone's setting their stuff on your table because you have a table and they don't. And so when you have a table, if you want to clear it and work, you don't want to just throw people's stuff on the ground. You got this little, I don't know, what's it called? Like a little nest? What's this thing down here? A nest? That's what I'm going to call it. The nest. You put things here and it works perfectly for holding things. Can hold quite a bit of weight. The whole table can hold quite a bit of weight. And let's look at these legs because you're probably wondering, how does this thing go together? How does it fit inside the bag? All right, we're under the table, 4 legs. And check this out. They each leg individual, let's say you're on uneven ground, you can still get this puppy level because each individual leg goes out. And these, by the way, these really do need to be cranked down pretty hard so that you can put some weight on the table. So let's fold this thing down and put it in the bag. It just pops loose. Check this out. Just roll it up. And these things kind of just go right down in here. Ooh. This easily comes off, what did I call it? The nest. That kind of netted area here. It's Velcro. It's got little quick disconnects on each of the 4 legs. Now you got the skeleton of it. The bones, if you will. I'm going to flip it upside down. We're going to put in each of these leggies. So then these poles here, they just come popping right loose. And then these come loose. Then this whole thing just kind of goes down. Booyah! All right, so then this thing, I'm going to kind of wrap it in itself. Make it a small, my son who's filming is saying, make it a sushi roll. And I do like to keep the feet out so that when you get to camp, the feet go down and then you just kind of pull this off. It's all fits inside this bag. I mean, it's, what is this, a little bit bigger than a camp chair? Not too bad. It's got a strap. Carry it around. Keep the mic there.